Jet lag isn't just about being tired after a long flight. It wrecks your hormones, disrupts your gut health, and throws off your immune system for days. So why do some people recover quickly while others feel drained for a week? The secret lies within you, not your schedule. Welcome to Levitas. Please leave a comment and any questions. It helps the channel a lot with the algorithm. Thank you. Here are 9 ways to help you improve a jet lag. 1. Probiotics. Most people associate jet lag with sleep, but one of its most overlooked causes is a disrupted gut microbiome. Research shows that crossing multiple time zones can cause a mismatch between your internal clock and the rhythms of your gut bacteria. A 2021 study in Cell Host and Microbe found that changes in time zones shift the composition of gut flora, leading to inflammation, irregular digestion, and weakened immunity. This matters because your gut communicates directly with your brain through the gut-brain axis. When your microbiome is off, your brain's circadian rhythm suffers too. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and yogurt, or high-quality probiotic supplements, can help restore the balance of beneficial bacteria. Certain strains, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bifidobacterium longum, are particularly good at regulating stress hormones like cortisol and enhancing melatonin production. Supporting your gut health with probiotics before, during, and after travel can dramatically reduce jet lag symptoms. By stabilizing your microbiome, you align your internal clock with the new time zone faster, improve mental clarity, and even reduce digestive issues that often accompany long flights. Want to burn fat and build muscle faster? I created a free science-backed supplements guide to boost your energy, fire up your T levels, and ignite your metabolism. No fluff, just results. Download the free guide now and start your body transformation today. Link in the description. This is how metabolic men optimize their stack. 2. Vitamin D3. Another key player in jet lag recovery is vitamin D3, often called the sunshine vitamin. Jet lag disrupts your exposure to natural sunlight, which throws off your melatonin cycle and your overall circadian rhythm. A 2020 study in Nutrients revealed that low vitamin D levels are associated with poor sleep quality, fatigue, and even deep sadness, especially after long-distance travel. Vitamin D3 plays a central role in resetting your biological clock by influencing gene expression in the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the brain's timekeeping center. It also helps regulate immune responses and reduces inflammation, 2 major factors that worsen jet lag symptoms. People with optimal vitamin D levels tend to adapt to new time zones more easily and experience fewer mood fluctuations. If you're traveling across multiple time zones, especially to places with less sun exposure, consider supplementing with 2,000 to 5,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily. Taking it in the morning can support alertness, reduce fatigue, and help synchronize your internal rhythm to local daylight. Always pair vitamin D3 with vitamin K2 to avoid calcium misplacement and enhance effectiveness. 3. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 works hand in hand with vitamin D3, directing calcium into bones and away from arteries. But beyond bone health, K2 also supports vascular function, which becomes critical during long flights when circulation is compromised. A 2019 study in thrombosis research highlighted K2's role in improving microvascular integrity and reducing post-flight fatigue. When paired with D3, it helps maintain healthy blood flow and reduces inflammatory stress, making it easier for your body to adapt to time zone changes. Look for MK7, the most bioavailable form, especially if you're supplementing during travel. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most underrated minerals for managing jet lag. It plays a critical role in over 300 biochemical processes, including muscle relaxation, nervous system regulation, and melatonin production. A 2022 article in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that magnesium improves sleep efficiency, especially in people exposed to circadian disruption. Jet lag triggers a spike in cortisol, your stress hormone. Magnesium counters this by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes calm and recovery. It also helps modulate GABA, the brain's primary calming neurotransmitter. Travelers often experience muscle cramps, insomnia, or restless sleep due to magnesium deficiency after long flights. Forms like magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate are ideal, as they cross the blood-brain barrier and target the nervous system directly. Taking magnesium in the evening, especially during the first few nights in a new time zone, can improve deep sleep, reduce anxiety, and help recalibrate your internal clock. Include leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, or dark chocolate in your diet, or consider a 200 to 400 milligram supplement to support your transition. 5. Vitamin C. Jet lag increases oxidative stress, especially after long-haul flights. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from travel-induced inflammation and supports a healthy immune system. A 2018 study in Nutrients found that vitamin C supplementation reduced fatigue and improved mood in sleep-deprived individuals. It also helps regulate cortisol levels, keeping your stress response in check. Taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C before and after your flight can buffer the impact of disrupted sleep and protect your body from post-travel sluggishness. You can get it from kiwi, lemons, broccoli, or a high-quality ascorbic acid supplement. Zinc, masalar, and melatonin. Melatonin is your body's natural sleep hormone, and it's one of the most effective tools against jet lag. However, it's not a sleeping pill. It works by signaling your biological clock that it's time to wind down. A 2019 review in Sleep Medicine concluded that melatonin supplements taken 30 to 60 minutes before desired bedtime in the new time zone significantly reduced jet lag symptoms. Start with a low dose of 0.5 to 1 milligram and avoid overuse to prevent receptor desensitization. It's especially useful for eastward travel when your body needs help shifting to an earlier sleep schedule. Low energy, belly fat, weak drive. Most men eat 5 foods that quietly destroy T levels. My free guide shows you what to avoid and what to eat instead to reclaim your health, strength, and metabolism. Backed by science. Built for men. Download it free now. Your body will love you. Link in the description. 7. Adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural substances that help your body adapt to stress, making them perfect for jet lag recovery. The physical and emotional stress of flying across time zones spikes cortisol and disrupts your circadian rhythm. Ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil are adaptogens proven to modulate the HPA axis and stabilize energy throughout the day. A 2020 study in Curious showed that ashwagandha improved sleep quality and reduced cortisol in individuals with insomnia. Rhodiola, on the other hand, helps combat fatigue and supports mental clarity. Adaptogens don't force your body into sleep. They normalize your internal environment so that your sleep signals work naturally. They also reduce symptoms of stress disorder, which often spikes during international travel. Take adaptogens during the day to support energy balance or in the evening alongside calming herbs like lemon balm or passion flower. They're available as teas, tinctures, or capsules. Used consistently, adaptogens help your body recalibrate faster, improve resilience, and reduce the physiological chaos that makes jet lag so unbearable. Think of them as your body's natural thermostat, keeping your systems in balance across time zones. 8. Omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential for brain function and hormonal balance, both of which suffer during jet lag. These fats reduce inflammation, improve neuroplasticity, and support mood regulation. A 2017 study in Scientific Reports found that omega-3s helped align circadian rhythms in animal models. Low omega-3 levels are linked to poor sleep and increased stress reactivity. Including fatty fish like salmon or sardines, or supplementing with algae oil for vegetarians, can help you recover faster. Omega-3s also support cardiovascular health, which is important during long flights when blood flow is compromised. 9. Protein. Travel often disrupts your eating patterns, and inadequate protein intake can impair your body's ability to recover from jet lag. Protein is essential for neurotransmitter synthesis, especially tryptophan, the amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin. A 2021 study in Nutrients highlighted that a protein-rich breakfast after arrival helped regulate circadian genes and improve energy levels. Lean meats, eggs, or plant-based protein shakes can stabilize blood sugar, reduce fatigue, and improve alertness during adaptation. Eating a balanced protein-rich meal early in the day helps re-anchor your body to the new time zone and supports metabolic recovery from long travel. Want to become a high-performance machine? Track your supplements, sleep, hydration, and fat-burning habits, all in one simple tool. This daily tracker keeps you consistent, focused, and results-driven. Download it free now and start operating like a metabolic pro. Real results come from what you track. Link in the description. In conclusion, jet lag is more than just a sleep problem. It's a full-body circadian disruption. Your gut microbiome, vitamin D3, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids all play crucial roles in resetting your internal clock. By optimizing melatonin production, reducing inflammation, and supporting neurotransmitter synthesis through proper nutrition, you help your body adapt quickly. Adaptogens and probiotics further restore balance by reducing cortisol and aligning brain-gut signals. Strategic use of vitamins, minerals, and protein-rich meals gives your brain and body the tools to recover fast. Understanding the biological root causes empowers you to travel without suffering the exhausting toll of jet lag. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.